Hello, good morning. Right, a little while ago on Amazon, probably about 2 years ago, I bought myself an RC car because I got bored and I think it was lockdown. This is it here. I will put a link in the description and don't forget to like and subscribe. This was originally, I think it was like white and red, but I spray painted it black. And I've also popped a little GoPro in there. So, well, it's not in there yet. The GoPro cage, I sort of hacked it about a little bit. So we're going to see some footage of that in just a second. But we're gonna show you it running in the garden, just sort of as it is without the GoPro in. So enjoy. Right, so here we go. This is the little beast without the GoPro in him. As you can see, it's quite happy over pretty long grass. It's pretty fast. It's getting absolutely covered in grass now because I cut the grass last week. And the cat's watching now. And we'll get it back over here and we'll pop the GoPro in. Right, so the GoPro is in now. I don't know if you can see that in there. It's in there anyway. Let's get him, oh, if I can get my finger on the record button. There we go. So that should be recording now. I don't know if you can see that in there. You can see the screen. It's covered in grass. So let's see what the cat makes of this. And I'm not even sure if I've got image stabilization on the GoPro. But pretty cool little car. I think my batteries are going in the controller. Right, so you've seen what it looked like. It's pretty cool. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.